Good afternoon, my name's Chippy Swift and today we're going to be taking a quick look at this Snugpak Jungle Bag. First of all, the Snugpak Jungle Bag comes in a variety of colours. You can get a coyote tan like this, a desert tan which is more of a beigey desert colour, and olive green. I'm not too sure if you can get black and camouflage yet, but they might be in the pipeline soon. The weight of this is 900 grams, that's 32 ounces for all you Americans. The comfort rating for this is 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit, through and through summer bag. However, it does feature a nice little head net, and you can fully unzip this as it's rectangular. You can convert it into a nice little blanket to relax with in the evening. So let's get it out of the bag and take a closer look. Let's take a look inside the jungle bag now. Undo the compression straps. Nice handy little pack size this again. There's nothing out on the back side to grab hold of to get it out. There you go. Lovely job. First thing I notice is a left hand zip. So I'll turn it the right way around for you. There you go. Here's the hood end up here. Nice little hood for your head. And down the bottom, this actually unzips all the way open. We'll take a closer look at that. Two little loops here to hang it up if it's wet. Square design pattern. Opening it up. Undo that one. Then the bottom one. Then it's basically a big blanket for you. You can see inside here, little white label for your washing care instructions. Zippable mesh pocket. Nothing else to this really. Let's zip this back up, take a look at the net. Blanket's quite nice if you're taking a hammock as well and you don't want to be inside your sleeping bag as such. So we zipped it up. Let's just move to the head end a moment. Fold that back on itself. In this design it actually features a little roll away mosquito net. You can zip up from just a continuous one round. There you have it, that's the zip. The netting zip actually goes lower down than the main exit and entrance zip, so it's hidden away and you can't move it out. So yeah, it's got a nice little peak to it. Let's just fluff this up so you can get a good look at the shape. It's very square rectangle shape. Head net, that's quite a large head net really. That'll keep all the mosquitoes, spiders and whatever else off your face. That's nice and handy. Again, this is rated down to 7 degrees Celsius. It's a pure through and through summer bag. You saw by the size of the compression sack here, it doesn't take up much room in your pack. So if you're going on a warm summer hike, where it's above say 8 or 10 degrees Celsius, this will be a good little bag for you. Let's stuff this back in here. See how easy it goes back in the bag. Because some of these bags, they have real issues getting back in the sack. So this is how I fold up sleeping bags. I just fold the bag back on itself, shove it in, no order, no rhyme or reason. The only thing I do make sure is the zips are inside so it doesn't rattle about or wear through the outside of your compression sack. There you go, lovely. One thing I forgot to mention is it does actually have a toggle to tighten around the head net and the hood of the sleeping bag itself, so it's just like any other sleeping bag basically. Again, the top zipper with a mosquito net here, and just be undertucked, fold into itself nicely out of the way so you're not catching anything or anything like that. So there's the Snugpak Jungle Bag. It comes in this coyote tan colour. It also comes into a lighter colour, desert tan, an olive green, and I think it may even come in a black now, I'm not too sure, but yeah, go and look at the website if you want proper specifications. this is made with a travel like material, I believe, instead of the general softy that you get with most other sleeping bags. So if you like this video and want to see more reviews or my adventures and sales, please click down either side of the page. Till next time, stay safe and hope you find peace in the woods.